Hello everybody, welcome to juristcentral.com online classes for law exams. So today I will be dealing with you the previous year questions of 2018 for ILI LLM entrance examination, which is to be held in the year 2021, and you may expect this examination in the last week of August. So today is the last date for submission of your application form. I hope all of you have submitted your application form in due time. So let us start. So today I will be dealing with you a total number of 140 objective type questions, and soon I will be taking a session on the solved subjective questions of ILI LLM entrance exam. So let us start. So we will be dealing with the first part, in which you may face questions of English and general knowledge. So the first question is, choose an option which is nearest in meaning to the word given in capital letters in question number 1 to 5. So the first word is hornet. So the nearest meaning is option number C, wasp. Wasp is a kind of, you also can say, insect. Then 2, azure. The most nearest meaning is option number A, sky blue color. 3, bounteous. The correct option is option number C, generous. 4, calumny. The correct option is option number C, false accusation. 5, diminution. The correct option is option number D, act of diminishing. 6, choose an option which is nearest opposite to the word given in capital letters in question number 6 to 10. So you have to choose the nearest opposite word of the given word. Admirable. This is option number A, detestable. 7, average. The nearest opposite word is option number D, extraordinary. 8, gallant. This is option number C, timid. 9, hypertension. The correct option is option number A, hopeless. 10, festive. The nearest opposite word is option number A, sorrowful. 11, select nearest meaning of the phrases in italics out of 4 options in questions number 11 to 13. So phrases are given in the italic word, and you have to choose the correct meaning of the given phrase. 11, to feel under the weather. It means option number C, to feel unwell. 12, a piece of cake. It means option number C, something easy. 13, at the drop of a hat. The correct option is option number D, without hesitation. 14, select an option nearest in meaning for phrase given in italics out of the 4 options in questions number 14 to 16. So you have to choose the correct nearest meaning of the given phrase which is given in italics. A government by the wealthy. It means option number B, plutocracy. Let us see the other meaning of the given words. Aristocracy means a form of government in which power is held by the nobility. Mobcracy, it means rule or domination by the masses. Anarchy, it means a state of disorder due to absence or non-recognition of authority or other controlling systems. 15, feeling of being without any care in the world. It means option number C, ecstasy. Let us see the other meanings. Mysticism means it's the practice of religious ecstasies together with whatever ideologies, ethics, rites, myths, legends, and magic may be related to them. Ecstasy. Ecstasy means an overwhelming feeling of great happiness or joyful excitement. Morbid means characterized by an abnormal and unhealthy interest in disturbing and unpleasant subjects, especially death and disease. 16, arguing and complaining a lot. It means option number A, cantankerous. Let us see the other meaning. Senile means having or showing the weakness or disease of old age. 17, fill in the blanks out of the given alternatives in the sentences given in italics in question number 17 to 10. So you have to choose the correct option which can fill the given blank in the sentence. Once, it is upon a time, option number D, there lived a king who was brave and gallant warrior. 18, the magician turned the rabbit. It is option number B, into a pigeon. 19. The loud noise of laughter came This is option number B, from within the room. 20. I lost my luggage. This is option number D, at the station. 21. The national anthems of two countries have been written by the same poem. Name the countries. This is option number D, India and Bangladesh, and the name of the poet is Sir Rabindranath Tagore. 22. What is the name of the father of Mahatma Gandhi? This is option number B, Karamchand Gandhi. 23. Who was the commander of the army of Pandavas according to the epic Mahabharata? This is option number C, Drishtadyumna. 24. Where is the headquarter of International Commission of Juries? The correct option is option number A. This is in Geneva. 25. The capital of Kazakhstan is, it is option number D, Astana. Presently, the name of the capital has been changed to Nur Sultan in the honor of the long-serving president, Nur Sultan Nazarbayev. The currency is tenge. So let us see the other information of the other given options. Almaty is a city in Kazakhstan. Then Kiev is the capital of Ukraine and Bishkek is the capital of Kyrgyzstan. 26. Which is the largest, second largest country in the world area-wise? This is option number B, Canada. So the correct sequence in terms of size is first come the Russia, second comes Canada, third is China, and the fourth is USA. These are the largest country in terms of their area. 27. In which event Jitu Rai won gold medal in Commonwealth Games 2018? This is option number C, this 10-meter air pistol. 28. Which country is the largest milk producer in the world? This is option number B, India. 29. Dara Shikoh was, so Dara Shikoh was actually option number D, their son of Shah Jahan. Then 30. Muhammad Zahir Shah was the option number A, last king of Afghanistan. 31. Who was the Chief Justice of India who served as acting President of India? This is option number C, Justice Hidayatullah, and he was sworn in the year 1969. 32. Who was the first Chief Justice of Indian Supreme Court? This is option number B, Justice Kania. 33. Who is the Law Minister of India? But the present time it has been changed, but then it was option number A, Ravi Shankar Prasad. You have to comment in the comment section below who is the present Law Minister of India. I have already taken a session on that. 34. Through which of these states the river Narmada doesn't flow? This is option number D, Rajasthan. River Narmada flows in Madhya Pradesh, Gujarat and Maharashtra. 35. Raj Tarangini is a chronicle of kings of Kashmir in Sanskrit. Who was its author? This is option number C, Kalhan. 36. Who among the following is not a Nobel laureate? So this is option number B, it's Jagdish Bhagwati. So let us see the important facts of the other options. Kailash Satyarthi won Nobel Peace Prize jointly with Malala Yousafzai in 2014. Amartya Sen won in 1988 in economics, and C.V. Raman won Nobel Prize in Physics in the year 1930. 37. Satyendra Nath Bose was a well-known scientist. What was his discipline? His option number A, this is physics, and he was also his specialization was math. He was a mathematician and also theoretical physics was his specialization, and he was also known as the father of the God particle. 38. Which was the first aircraft carrier of Indian Navy? First aircraft carrier, this option number D, INS Vikrant. Then 39. Which of the following is not a union territory under the constitution? This is option number B, Tripura, because Tripura is a state. 40. Which is the biggest city of the union territory of Dadra and Nagar Haveli? This is option number D, Silvassa. Then we'll be dealing with part 2, in which we will be seeing questions of law subjects. 41. Which of the following said that legal system consists of rules of obligation and rules of recognition? This is option number A, Hart. 42. According to Kelsen, Grundnorm is a presupposition, is neither legal nor illegal and has a self-dependent beginning. Keeping in mind these characteristics of Grund norm located in the Indian legal system, this is option number A, the Constitution of India. Then 43, who is the author of Law's Empire? This is option number D, Dworkin. Then 44, who famously said we ought to obey God rather than man? This is option number A, Saint Thomas Aquinas. 45, who developed harm principle as a justification to restrict liberty? This is option number D, J.S. Mill. 46, which of the following proponents of social contract theories prefer to establish a limited government? This is option number C, Locke. 47, who developed the concept of inner morality? This is option number B, Fuller. 48, the idea that fulfillment of basic needs is the right of every citizen was propounded by which of the following? This is option number C, Kant. Then 49, Jural postulates are, so these are option number A, value system of society to balance contradictory interests. 50, proletariat of the world, unite, you have nothing to lose but your chains. In which book Karl Marx made this statement? This is option number C, the Communist Manifesto. 51, in which of the following case has the Supreme Court decided that reservation limit cannot exceed 50%? This is option number A, Indira Sahani and others versus Union of India, 1993 case. 52, which is the best meaning of judicial review in India? This option number A, judicial review is a process under which executive and legislative action and precedents of lower authority may be invalidated by judiciary. Then 53, in which case the Supreme Court upheld a citizen's right to negative voting? This is option number D. This PUCL versus Union of India, and it has been decided in the year 2013. 54, in which case the Supreme Court observed that regulatory measures and compensatory taxes for the use of trading facilities did not hamper trade, commerce and intercourse. This is option number B, Automobile Transport Limited versus State of Rajasthan. Then 55, a state may by law impose reasonable restrictions on freedom of trade, commerce and intercourse with or within that state in public interest, but such law, option number A, cannot be introduced in legislature without previous sanction of the President of India, and this has been given under Article 304. 56, for which of the following grounds a writ of certiorari wouldn't issue? This is option number C, refraining a lower court or tribunal from doing something which it is about to do. 57, which of the following is not a fundamental right according to the Constitution of India? This is option number B, right to property. 58, which of the following is not an official language of India according to the 8th schedule of the Constitution of India? This is option number A, Bhojpuri. 59, which of the following is the appropriate qualification for appointment as a judge of a high court? He or she must, this is option number B, has for at least 10 years held a judicial office in the territory of India, and this has been given under Article 217. 60, which of the following is not a fundamental duty? This is option number C, to abide by our religious values. 61, the government and statutory authorities must anticipate, prevent and attack the causes of environmental degradation when there are threats of serious and irreversible damage. Lack of scientific certainty should not be used as reason to postponing measures to prevent environmental degradation, in which case the Supreme Court gave this definition of sustainable development. The case is option number C, Vellore Citizen Welfare Forum versus Union of India, 1996 case. 62, polluter pays principle means, it means option number B, financial cost of preventing or remedying damage caused by pollution should lie with the person or undertaking which causes pollution. 63, Municipal Council Ratlam versus Vardi Chand is a case on this option number C, failure of a local body to perform its statutory functions. 64, though there is no fundamental right to pollution-free environment, the judiciary read the right to pollution-free environment more specifically into a particular fundamental right. In which article this fundamental right is? This is option number D, Article 21. And this has been held in the case of MC Mehta versus Union of India, 1987 case, also known as Oleum gas leak case. 65. In a well-known English case, Rylance versus Fletcher, the principle of strict liability was propounded. The principle was developed into principle of absolute liability in a case by the Supreme Court. Name the case. So the name of the case is option number A. It's MC Mehta versus Union of India, and this is also known as oleum gas leak case, and it has been decided, or it has been reported in the year 1987. So there are two options actually by the name of MC Mehta. One is reported in the year 1997. This is also known as Taj Trapezium case, but this is not the option. Remember that the case in which the Supreme Court has propounded the rule of absolute liability is actually decided in MC Mehta versus Union of India, also known as oleum gas leak case, and it has been reported in the year 1987. This is a 1987 case. 66. Advocates of economic development and champions of desirability of clean environment have different points of view. Judiciary, while implementing the concept of sustainable development, has to make a balance between these conflicting points of view. What is the name of the doctrine through which the balancing is done? This is option number C. This is known as doctrine of proportionality. 67. The purpose of environmental impact assessment is to ensure that option number A, the plans for development in all sectors are in harmony with the object of maintaining the health of life sustaining ecosystem. 68. In SR Oil Limited versus Halar Utkarsh Samiti, it was held that option number D, the pipeline carrying crude, is permitted to pass through Marine National Park and Sanctuary. 69. In Tehri Bandh Sangharsh Samiti versus State of UP, it was held that in this option number B, construction of dam was permitted. 17. MC Mehta versus Union of India 1985 case, roadworthiness of commercial vehicles was reduced from 15 to 8 years, under which law the central government has power of reducing the period of roadworthiness. This is option number D, the Motor Vehicle Act. 71. Which of the following is a better definition of tort? Tort is the option number was civil wrong that causes someone else to suffer loss or harm, resulting in legal liability for the person who commits the tortious act. 72. Which of the following the characteristic for action of tort between parties? This is option number D, violation of right and rem. 73. Which of the following is a better definition of negligence? This is option number B, not foreseeing the consequences of an act which a reasonable person would have foreseen. 74. What do you understand by neighbours rule propounded by Lord Atkin in Donoghue versus Stevenson? This is option number A. If a person's wrongful action causes harm to another, even without contractual relation, the person is liable. 75. Damnum sine injuria means, it means option number B, where a damage is suffered without a breach of legal duty. 76. Strict liability means, it means option number A, there is a liability even if harm was neither foreseeable nor was there any negligence. 77. There was a collision between a bus coming on a road and a motorcycle coming from a side road. The motorcyclist was injured. Neither the bus driver looked out for traffic from the side road nor the motorcyclist from the road, who is liable. So in this case, option number D, both. 78. A was negligently treated by B, a medical doctor. Consequently, A dies because of the death of A. His daughter C couldn't marry D. C claims damages from B, asserting that her failure to marry D was a direct consequence of doctor's negligence in treating her father. Will she succeed? This is option number D, she will not. 79. A purchases a ticket to watch a movie and was seated in the hall, but after some time he started shouting and behaved in unruly manner, causing annoyance to the audience. When he did not pay heed to requests to calm down, he was evicted. He brings a suit for damages against the management. Will he succeed? If so, on what ground? This is option number C. No, he will not succeed, because he has intentionally shown his unruly behavior and it caused annoyance to the audience. 80. A civil action for trespass to real property is sustainable. This is option number A, if there is wrongful entry into property of another. Then 81. A 16-year-old boy traveling alone in a railway train gets down at a station and asks the vendor the rate of samosas. The vendor offers rupees 20 a plate. The boy takes a plate. After eating samosas, he refuses to pay on the ground that a minor's contract is not binding. Decide the validity of the contract. This is option number B, but this will be binding. 82. A traveling on a motorcycle met with an accident and was lying unconscious on the road. A good Samaritan brought him to a private hospital where he was treated and brought back to consciousness. When the hospital asked him to pay, he refused on ground that there was no privity of contract between him and the hospital. Decide the validity of the demand of the hospital. This is option number B. The demand is not valid because it has been held in the case of Save Life Foundation and another versus Union of India. 83. Consent for a contract is free when it is caused by option number C, duress. 84. A promises to sell his house worth rupees 1 crore to B for rupees 10. Is the amount of rupees 10 valid consideration? This is option number C, valid only if decided with free will. 85. A promises to sell his house to B, a good man, without whose consent he doesn't take any important decision on B's suggestion. Later on, A wants to invalidate the contract on ground that his consent for the contract was not free as it was caused by option number D, undue influence. 86. A contract by which one party promises to save the other from loss caused to him by the conduct of the promisor himself or by the conduct of any other person is called option number A, contract of indemnity, and this has been defined under section 124 of Indian Contracts Act. 87. A delivers a piece of cloth to B, a tailor, to be stitched into a suit and to be returned to A. The contract between A and B is a contract of option number C, it's bailment, defined under section 170. Then 88. Which of the following is not an essential element of a contract? This is option number B, conditional acceptance. 89. Which of the following is incorrect? A valid offer must be, this is option number A, capable of being accepted. 90. Which of the following is valid? This is option number A, agreement to initiate legal proceedings regarding a certain dispute. 91. Who said that international law is vanishing point of jurisprudence? This is option number B, Holland. 92. Where is the headquarters of International Labour Organization is situated? This is option number D, Geneva. 93. Who handed down dissenting not guilty verdict for Japan's wartime leaders at the post-World War II International Military Tribunal for Far East, also known as the Tokyo Trial? The correct option is option number A, Radha Vinod Pal. 94. Enforcement of judgments of International Court of Justice is option number C, subject to ratification by the Secretary General of UNO. Then 95. Which of the following country is not a member of BRICS? This is option number C, Britain. 96. Which is the capital of European Union? The correct option is option number C, Brussels. 97. Kyoto Protocol is an international treaty relating to option number D, setting out limits on greenhouse gas emission. 98. Territorial waters is option number B, area of the sea adjacent to the shores of a country and subject to the territorial jurisdiction of that country. 99. What is continental shelf? This is option number D, under water land mass which extends from continent resulting in an area of relatively shallow water. 100. International Criminal Court has no jurisdiction to prosecute individuals for which of the crime? This is option number C, rebellion. 101. In which of the following preparation to commit crime is punishable? This is option number A, dacoity. 102. Which of the following is punishable? This is option number C, act of a person under intoxication consumed voluntarily. 103. A woman who lived with her husband, 3 children less than 7 years and a sister-in-law. There would be frequent quarrels between the woman and her sister-in-law, but the husband always supported his sister and would often beat his wife. Once during the quarrel, sister-in-law asked the woman to leave the house. The woman, taking 3 children with her, told the sister-in-law that she would jump into a well and actually jumped into a well along with her children. The children died, but she survived. Is she liable for the death of the children? If so, for which offense? Is option number B, it's murder. So it's not clear, but the correct option is option number B, she will be liable for murder. Then 104. A on a highway finds a 100 rupee note, not knowing who is the owner, pockets it. Which offense, if any, has he committed? This is option number C, no offense. 105. Which of the following is not an essential ingredient of theft? This is option number C. Property must be removed from the premises of the immovable property possessed by the victim. Well, this is not necessary. 106. A man has some indecent pictures of a woman. He threatens her if she doesn't give him 1 lakh rupees, he will make them public. Thereupon, she, fearing loss of reputation, gives him the demanded money. What offense, if any, has been committed by the man? This is option number D. Extortion. 107. A, along with 3 others, all armed with firearms, went to a post office. A stood guard outside the entrance while 3 others entered the post office and ordered the postmaster, who had some money in his possession, to hand over the money. When the postmaster refused to hand over, one of the 3 fired at him. The postmaster died almost immediately. Thereafter, seeing other 3 running, A, after firing his pistol, also ran. But after a chase, he was caught. A was charged with murder, read with the law of common intention, which he had with other 3. He said he did not have common intention with the other 3, as he was standing guard outside the post office. Decide opting any of the 4 alternatives. So the correct option is option number B. He had common intention with the other 3. 108. With the intention of killing B, shoots at him, but B ducks down and the bullet hits C, who was standing behind B. C dies instantly. A didn't intend to kill C. What offense, if any, has been committed by A? A is guilty of option number B, culpable homicide not amounting to murder. 109. Jagmohan Singh versus State of UP establishes that award of death sentence is, this option number D, not violative of Article 21 of the Constitution. 110. With reference to the constitutionality of Section 377 of IPC, in which of the following cases it was observed that sex under Article 15 of Constitution of India includes sexual orientation. This is option number A, Nas Foundation versus Government of NCT Delhi. 111. Which of the following is not an essential element of partnership? This is option number D. Business must actively be carried on by all the partners. Actually, the business must be carried on by all or any of them, acting for all. Then 112. How a partnership may be dissolved by agreement. This is option number A, with the consent of all the partners, and it has been given under Section 40 of Partnership Act. 113. Which of the following is not the duty of a partner at firm? This is option number C. To render true accounts and full information of all things affecting the firm to any partner, but not to his legal heir or legal representative. Actually, the partner is also liable to render true accounts to also the legal heir or legal representative of the partners. 114. Is a partner entitled to receive remuneration for the conduct of the business of the firm? This is option number B, not under any circumstances, and this has been given under Section 13, which deals with mutual rights and liabilities. 150. Which of the following is implied authority of a partner of a firm? This is option number C, an act of a partner which is done to carry on in the usual way business of the kind carry on by the firm. This is given under Section 19. 116. Which section of the Partnership Act provides that in the absence of an agreement, all partners are entitled and liable for equal share in profit and loss? There is option number B. Is this given under Section 13? Let us see about the other section. Section 6 deals with mutual rights and liabilities. Section 13 deals with mutual rights and liabilities. Section 6 deals with mode of determining existence of partnership. Section 12 deals with the conduct of the business, and Section 8 deals with particular partnership. 117. Which section of the of the following is not a true statement regarding minors' admission to partnership in a firm? The correct option is option number A. A minor may be admitted to the benefits of partnership with the consent of majority of partners. So this is actually not true, and it is given under Section 30. Then 118. Because he has to be inducted into the partnership with the consent of all the members of the partners. Then which of the following doesn't amount to compulsory dissolution? This is option number D, dissolution with the consent of all the partners. Well, this is not compulsory because there are also other methods of dissolution of the partnership firm. 119. Contract of sale according to Sale of Goods Act means option number B, a sale and an agreement to sell. 120. Which of the following is not a necessary ingredient of contract of sale? This is option number A, simultaneous delivery of goods and payment for goods. 121. Under the Sale of Goods Act, transfer of property and goods means, it means option number B, transfer of possession. 122. Which of the following sort of feature of hire purchase agreement? This option number C, hire purchase agreement is not treated as bailment. 123. A commissions B to paint a portrait of him at a price of rupees 5,000 and supplies to be painting material. What is the nature of transaction? This option number B, contract for work and labor. 124. A agrees to purchase from B a certain quantity of coal, but the ship carrying coal has yet to arrive at the port. When shall the property in coal pass to A from B? So this is actually option number B, when the ship arrives at the port with coal. Then 125. In an agreement to sell, the buyer has paid the price, but before sale takes place, the seller becomes insolvent. Can the buyer claim property in court? This option number B, yes, he can, as the seller has become insolvent. Then 126. Which of the following cannot be subject matter of contract of sale under the Sales of Goods Act? This is option number C, an actionable claim. 127. With which the first division of the schedule to the Limitation Act deals with, and the first schedule deals with option number D, suits. 128. What is not true about the Limitation Act? This is option number A, limitation extinguishes the right. 129. The Limitation Act provides a right not arising from contract by which one person is entitled to remove and appropriate for his own profit any part of the soil belonging to another, or anything grown in or attached to or subsisting upon the land of another. What is the name of this right? This is actually option number C. This is known as easementary rights. 130. Where a person entitled to institute a suit or make an application for the execution of a degree is at the time from which the prescribed period is to be recorded, a person with disability, he may institute the suit or make the application within the same period after the disability has ceased, as would otherwise have been allowed from the time specified. Therefore, in the third column of the schedule, instead of a person with disability, the Act specifies 3 types of disabilities. Which of the following are stated in the Act? This is option number D, a visually challenged, and the provision has been given under section 6 of the Limitation Act, which deals with legal disability. 131. What is the limitation period for suits for which limitation period has not been specified in the schedule of the Limitation Act? This is option number D, 3 years. 132. What is the period of limitation for a suit by or on behalf of the Government of India or state government? This is option number C, 30 years. 133. Under the Specific Relief Act, which of the following kind of remedies cannot be granted? This is option number D, making of instruments. 134. Specific Relief Act is based on the maxim Ubi Sibi Remedio. What does it mean? It means option number B, where there is a right, there has to be a complete remedy. 135. In a suit for recovery of possession by a person dispossessed of possession of immovable property under the Specific Relief Act, which one is not the essential requirement of the suit? This is option number B. Suit cannot be brought against the government. 136. What is the meaning of doctrine of pith and substance? This is option number B. Whether an impugned law would relate to the subject matter within the jurisdiction of a legislature or not, decided by the real scope of the impugned law. So this is the meaning of the doctrine of pith and substance. These are question number 137. What is the meaning of ab initio? It means option number C, from the beginning. 138. What is the meaning of mutatis mutandis? This means option number B, matters are generally the same but can be altered when necessary. 139. Who was the first non-temporary president of the Constituent Assembly? Option number D, it's Rajendra Prasad. Then 140. According to the Constitution of India, India is this is option number B, sovereign, socialist, secular, democratic and republic. So this is the end of the slide, and I hope you all have liked it. Do not forget to give a like, share and subscribe to the channel. So till we meet the next time, keep watching our channel. Thank you and have a nice day.